What is Abenomics? Abenomics is an economic policy introduced in Japan to improve the country's economy. It was started by former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. The main goal of Abenomics was to boost economic growth and stop deflation in Japan. Deflation means falling prices and slow economic activity. Japan faced economic problems like low growth, low inflation, and weak demand for many years. Abenomics was introduced to solve these problems. Abenomics is based on three main strategies, called the three arrows. The first arrow is monetary easing. Monetary easing means the central bank prints more money and lowers interest rates. This helps increase spending and investment. The second arrow is fiscal stimulus. Fiscal stimulus means the government spends more money on projects like roads, bridges, and public services. This creates jobs and increases demand in the economy. The third arrow is structural reforms. Structural reforms mean changing rules and policies to make businesses more competitive. This includes improving labor markets and encouraging innovation. Together, these three arrows aim to revive Japan's economy. Abenomics helped weaken the Japanese yen, which made exports cheaper. It also increased stock market values and business confidence. However, Abenomics also faced criticism. Some people say it increased government debt. Others say structural reforms were slow. In simple words, Abenomics is Japan's plan to revive its economy using money supply, government spending, and reforms. Easy way to remember. Abenomics means Abe's economics.